welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of reading and then we're going to watch our movie, okay? Do you understand? Okay, so one, two, three. So everybody say eyes on the screen. Okay, so boys and girls, everyone say continuous improvement. Everyone say we can do better in our learning. Okay, everyone say team, plan. So what's our plan? Boys and girls, what's our plan? Ready? Ready, boys and girls? Okay. So do we have to learn the letters of the alphabet? Everyone follow along. Get ready and read it with Terrell. Get ready, go. A, Y, J, S, R, L, W, W. Everyone say woohoo! One more time. Go back to A. Get ready, go. A, Y, J, S, R, L, W. Okay, Terrell only. I want to hear Terrell. Oh, what are you doing? Okay, ready? Go back to A. Get ready and say it. A. Drop them first. J, J. Letter, what letter? S. The S. S. Next one. What letter? R. Good job. Next one. L. The L. Next one. W. The W. W. All right. So Isabella's turn. Ready, Isabella? I'm sorry. Okay, Isabella. Everyone follow along with Isabella. Get ready, go. A, Y, N. I'm sorry, stop. Okay, go back again. Up to Isabella. At the top. Ready? Ready still. Everyone get ready, go. A, Y, N, J, S, R, L, W. Isabella's turn. Ready, Isabella. Isabella, get ready, go. A. What's next? Y, M, J, S, R, L, W, W. Okay, my turn now. Teacher's turn. Everyone say teacher's turn. Teacher's turn. Okay, everyone. Next row. Everyone say next row. Next row. Tell me the letters, boys and girls. Okay, so we now going to start all over again. Hold on. Everyone say hold on. Everyone say Nanga. Please wait. Don't touch anything here. We're running out of time already. Yes. Ready? Okay. Everyone just leave the light on. Okay. Are you ready, boys and girls? Okay, let's take a little to the alphabet. Three. Okay, we're gonna go back to your chair. Okay, ready? Everyone say next row. Tell me the letters, boys and girls. Here we go. A, U, N, W, X, T, E, J, N. All of you, go back to A. Just stand up over here. Everyone, get ready, go. A. Everyone say woohoo! Next row. Everyone say next row. Get ready, go. you ready, boys and girls? Take a deep breath. From the left, get ready, go. Are you ready, boys and girls? Okay, everyone say the title. Tells us what the story is going to be about. Everyone see the title? It's the name. Oh, those who don't want to learn. Oh, those who don't want to learn. I don't hear them. But you know who it is, right? They're not paying attention. We're here to learn. Everybody say we are in school to learn. Are you ready to go? Let's say, would you say again? Okay, let's read the title. You want to see the title? It's the name of the book. Okay, everyone follow the title. Everyone say fire, safety, set, for, kids. So what's the name of this book? Fire, safety, set, for, kids. Okay, everyone say page one. Let's read it. Get ready, go. I will never touch or play with fire. Are we gonna touch or play with fire? Everyone say no. No. Okay, next page. We're almost done. Okay, then we're gonna have our movie time. Everyone say learning is first. I like the way Isabella is sitting down. Everyone say good job, Isabella. Okay, ready? Isabella, ready? Okay, everyone follow this chapter. Everyone say firefighter. Tell me firefighter. Get ready, go. Firefighter. So mom and dad turn around and tell me firefighter. Okay, so everyone say firefighter. Are our friends. Friends you have? Let me see friends. Everyone say firefighters are our friends. What do we call this tiny dot? Who remembers? What's a period? Oh, period. Very good. Everyone say period.
I said period.
Stop. Everyone say stop.
Which one is my name?
Okay, let's go to the next
Isabella,
sentence.
do you know which one is my name?
Are you ready?
No.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Isabella, over
Yeah.
here.
No. No, Ethan, no. I already played.
Go ahead, let's go. Oh, are we gonna eat snacks during movie time? Isabella, come. Let's go. Are we gonna eat? Or Toronto doesn't want snacks. I'm not gonna get snacks. We're listening. So we're gonna get snacks during movie time. Are you ready? Okay, go. Okay, everyone say name. Are here to help. Show me help. So mom did help. So everyone say firefighters are one kind of community helpers. And do they help put out fires? Okay, next page. Everyone say next page. Okay, let's see. Everyone say they put out fire. Okay, next page. Everyone say next page. Who can tell me the first word in this sentence? Who can tell me this word here? What word? If. What word? Did Keisha say it? Yes or no? Go for one. Let's sound out if with the girls. Ready to read it? Here we go. Again. What word? What word? Okay, so let's read together. Here we go. There is a fire. I will get no end. everyone touch. Ready? Say I. Will. Not touch the fire. Alarm. When I hear it, I will get out fast. Oh, no. So what do we do when the fire alarm go off? We're gonna get out fast. And when we go with our fast. Okay. Ready? Everyone say I. Say I. Let's count up the next word. Ready? Here we go. Again. What word? What word? Okay, I want to hear all of you read the sound word. Ready? Sound it out with me. Here we go. What word? What word? Everyone say I. Will. Have a fire. Stand. At school or at home. Everyone say at home. Everyone say school and home. So are we going to have a fire plan at school and at home? So come on, that is important that you have a fire plan at everyone's life. All right, give yourself a clap as you go. And everyone say good fine. What do we do, Mom and Dad? Bye. See you soon. Can you come, Mom and Dad? And say see you soon. All right. So this ends our short mini lesson on fire safety and on reading.